Hello there, welcome to the Stupid Simple Technology channel, where you learn how to use tech in a stupid simple way. Would you like to create really nice AI videos like this video?
At Nini's Fashion House, find fashionable ready-to-wear Nigerian dresses or create unique, custom-fitted designs.
Then watch this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Firstly, visit Google VEO on your browser, preferably on a laptop or personal computer. This is the page you'll see when you visit the website. With the newly updated Google VEO 3, you can now create AI videos with sounds for yourself or for your business. Now, watch closely as I guide you on how to get the free 1000 credits to create your AI videos. Firstly, sign in using your Google account, and if you do not have a Google account, you need to create one at this stage. Secondly, click the subscribe button, scroll down and click Get Google AI Pro. You'll be asked for your card details. Input your dollar card details and you will not be charged a dime, but will receive your free 1000 credits to begin your AI video creation journey for the next 1 month. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. You're welcome.